Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And my intention is to just have some fun in the most frivolous way possible right now, which is going to be to add some paint that I'm going to move around to the canvas and use my OXO omelet turning spatula and hope that I can get away with this. And I think I can, which is half the battle, really. Now, I want black. Definitely want some black. Put that aside for the moment. Whoops, I didn't want to go all that far over there. Don't mind that there's paint left on my spatula. I love those little cells. I would like to be able to touch the edges of my canvas without having to come back later. Whoops. Destructo spatula. Alright, so what I really want is to indulge my fantasy of using that Stardust mica powder along with some of the neon folk art and maybe some other things to help it along. I don't know that the mica powder will work, but I want to try it, and it really is the same color as the neon folk art. And I know it sells wonderfully. I think so. That's coming up. Would have helped if I had tried to remember which one was which when I put it down. It won't happen until later. Oh my god, I don't remember. Alright, so here goes, yeah, no? I was like, here goes nothing, but I'm not sure I was ready yet. So this might not take that long. That was a waste. Well, no, I actually got it back with my spatula. It's a hit and run artwork. We have guests coming tonight. My husband has a seafood fetish, I want to say. He saved up his pennies and he got himself some Maine lobsters. I think you work hard for 30 years, you ought to get a lobster when you want one. Anyway, so I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill in Florida, and I do sell my artworks. And underneath the video you'll find the paint pouring recipe. I'm not sure when I'll be done with this, but I don't think I'm going to spend a whole long time. I might add some paint where I want to and then tilt it. I haven't really got all of the orange in there that I think I might put in there yet. My edges are somewhat covered with color, yeah. I don't mind not rinsing my spatula off. I've got other spatulas. I've also got basting brushes. I wish I would do something about that purple. I really do. This really comes down to how simple I want to leave it and if it's going to be a project for another day or not. And what I might want to do with it that I haven't done already. As in I really like to keep one a little less complicated, but that seems to be a tall order for me. I've got a glove that's blown up and it's kind of calling me a little bit. Where's my gold? Here's my gold. Have a bit of a tip. Tip back and down. Can't really go wrong with gold very well. Very hard, very easily. I can't talk right now. I've got some really neat chain. I did not separate it into the correct lengths, and I think I still want to use it though. Oh, those were kind of nice cells to mess with. Let's just do the whole length of that. Try not to destroy all the pretty cells. I'm kind of feeling the call of some turquoise or some, where is it? The turquoise might work. Turquoise, kind of want some more of this. What I'm looking for is the mystique, and it's here. There it is. And the white pearl is around here somewhere. Kind of like that a lot. Kind of don't want to destroy that little section right there that I love. I like that orange, but I think I want some more of it down at the bottom. I hope I'm right. There, that's kind of simple and spectacular, and I like it. Oops, that was blue, and I thought it was black for a second. And then I wipe my hand on the corner, which I'm not going to worry about right now. I wonder if I want some more white in there anywhere. Kind of would. Where is the white metallic? There it is. It's almost clogged. Well, fortunately, I'm not planning on putting a ton of it in there. Anyway. In that case, it's not coming through at all. Come on out. Don't mind that much. Kind of liked it better the way it was, so I'll do my best to return it. Alright, so that's my quickie, and I might want to have just a little bit more of that purple right there, and then I made it go away. And there's no way to know if that's going to stay or not. Can't trust me to say I'm done ever. Just can't. So I think the skewer is in order. And a whole bunch more of that purple. Because I like it. If I use more of it, some of it might remain. I think the black or the blue, yeah, the blue is where I want to go with that. And I've got that Mystique, but I think it would look wonderful some of that other color mixed in there. If I go too much further, I might be sorry. You've heard that before. But I keep having really good time with my colors. Okay, time to torch. It is what it is, and I like it as it is. If I see any canvas, I'm going to touch it with my finger and make it go away. I see a little bit of canvas. So I didn't tilt, I just spatula it. I really like to have that beautiful neon magenta mica powder and or folk art color shift. No, it isn't. Folk art neon. Anyway, I think that's fabulous. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for almost 79,000 of you as I stand here today. And thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. You keep my morale up all the time in the face of not making a living. Thank you for buying the artworks. And if you buy an artwork or you donate, you will be included in this month's contest, or any month's contest. The contest drawing prizes are included on the end screens in the video that shows an exhibition. Depending on the month, it changes. Wow. I really, 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 really like that. But then I like gold anyway, so I got some cleanup to do. And I've got Facebook groups. I've got Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors for fans and collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. I've got a few things to touch up on my edges, it looks like, after you guys are gone. But not too bad. I've got Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter feeds underneath video. And I love you guys. I will be touching up my edges. I'm pretty happy with that. Wow. All right. Let's zoom out and make sure it's all there. Yep. Success. Even if it's just a nice print. Because I want that color to stay. So bad. All right. Give me a thumbs up, please, if you wouldn't mind. It tells the YouTube algorithm where to place my videos so more people can find me. And the more people that find me, the more chance I have of continuing on doing this longer. And I see a spot, and I need to put some black paint in it because it is canvasy. But now it's gone. Cool. Ta-da! I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Watch more videos. The end screens have 750 of them on there. Binge away. You help me out immensely if you watch the commercials too. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Bye. Priscilla out.